Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove custom fields on ClickUp. Now, there's multiple ways you could actually go ahead about doing this. If you're on a space and you're on a different view, you could actually click on Customize, then click on Fields, and you could actually hide all these fields. So this is how you hide custom fields from a viewpoint. In order to actually delete a custom view or custom field, you could actually click onto a task and then scroll down. And here we have two custom fields already added in. If you click on the pencil icon, you could actually click on Advanced Settings. And with this custom field, you could actually scroll down and then click on Delete Custom Field. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete custom fields on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.